Okay, y'all. So I just wanted to do like a little unboxing of this new little accessory I got for the camera. I've always wanted a gimbal, and you know, just to like test out my video editing skills and everything. But I got this Zhiyun Crane M2. Yeah, it's just a little gimbal for the for like small point and shoot cameras and like smartphones, a GoPro, whatever. I'll probably do a full review, but this is just gonna be like me unboxing it. But yeah, they have like different modes and shit. But yeah, okay, I'm gonna unbox it right now. So it comes in this tiny, cute little box. It's like a foam box. It's cute, you know? Wow. They have like so many little pieces. Okay, I'm gonna try to put it on this. So right now it's on like a little tripod. Right now we're on like a little handheld tripod thing. But I'm gonna try to switch it to this. Let me see. Okay, I'm gonna watch a little video on how to like do this thing, but I put the tripod on. That's sick. It's not much bigger than the thing that I have on it right now, which is perfect. Okay, I'm gonna learn how to do this thing real quick. BRB. Okay, before I switch it over, I just wanted to do a little test. This is me holding just the regular tripod at its shortest length and me walking. It's not terrible, you know? But I do have to switch it around. Like, so if I'm filming myself, I do have to go like this. You do have to manually turn it. Right now we're on this like little tripod thing. This is, the one cool thing about this is here's the long view. And we're actually on the wide angle lens, so. There we go. See See, I mean, it's not terrible. Okay, now I'm gonna switch it to the gimbal. This is me running. Oh my god. Okay. I'm gonna switch it to this guy. I'm gonna put it on. I had to download some app. But yeah. Okay, I finally got this thing to work. It took me a second to balance it. I'm still playing with it, but this is lit. Like, there's so many different modes and shit. Okay, let me try. So if I'm on this mode, there's literally like different modes. So this is pan follow mode. So it's like, pretty sure I can control it from here as well. Okay, this is, I don't know what the L means. I don't know, it's pretty, this one really keeps it good. Damn, it be locking on. It literally points it. I can really control it. Okay, this is point of view. So, also if you triple click this, it can go to selfie mode. I'm literally still playing with all of the modes and the functions. I feel like there were a few more modes on here, like vortex mode, something. But I'm still playing with it. There's also like an app with it. I'm pretty sure you can control it with this. But yeah, this is lit. Pan follow. Oh, pan follow is like if I'm pan follow mode is pretty sick. Okay, I'm gonna put this down before I break it. But yeah, this is pretty lit. Okay.